Tonight, communities are cleaning up and drying out after this weekend's showers and storms. Take a look at this video if you haven't already seen it. This is out of Hall County from Friday, where many of you spotted this tornado over Lake Lanier. Now, when we first showed you this video on Friday, we couldn't confirm at that time whether it was a tornado or a water spout. But this weekend, the National Weather Service confirmed it was an EF-1 tornado on the ground, mostly over the water for 9 minutes. We were looking at this video just with our jaws hanging open. So many people really curious about what was going on with this, Chris. And you and our Cody Alcorn were helping to walk people through everything that we are seeing out there on Friday.
And it was, over the water for most of the time, but for part of the time it was over land. So yes, classified as a tornado.